Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 296, Dataverse REST Builder. Continuing our series on the Power Pages Web API, in this tip, let's look at the Dataverse REST Builder tool that helps us craft our Web API requests. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. In our last tip, we looked at the HTTP methods we use to interact with Dataverse data via the Power Pages Web API. You might be the type of person who loves crafting Web API requests from scratch. But if not, you should know about the Dataverse REST Builder tool, created by Guido Preita. This tool, which is available in the XRM toolbox, as an extension for Chrome, Edge, and VS Code, or as a managed solution, provides an interface for you to create Web API requests for Dataverse. It then outputs the code you need in various formats, including specifically for Power Pages. Let's look at an example. We'll create a request that queries contacts with the last name equal to Hayduk. We'll select request type of retrieve multiple. We'll then select the table and choose only to return the first and last name. Finally, we'll add our filter condition. We'll choose last name as our filter column, equals as our operator, and we'll put in Hayduk as our value. Now, if we click on the Portals tab, we'll see the JavaScript code it creates, which includes selecting the correct columns and the filter we wanted. It even uses the webapi.safeAjax function we talked about in tip number 294. Now we just need to copy and paste the code into our site and make any other adjustments necessary to incorporate this code into existing work. Big shout out to Guido for creating this awesome tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 296 on Dataverse REST Builder useful.